Yeah, nigga, it's ammo. One more time. Yo. Motherfuckers act real till I smash they face in. Big gash on they forehead like the mask from Jason. Heat to your grill like I'm cooking slabs of bacon. Bullet in your dome, send you on a fast vacation. Let me find out your punk ass is ratting and snaking. Just prepare to have questions to ask to Satan. Back to your rib, your motherfucking abs is aching. Have your ass out the game like Pastor Mason. Never trick for a bitch, you ever masturbation. See me with a dime bitch, and she black or Asian. I ain't hungry for no food, cause it's cash I'm chasing. We gon' die one day, so don't collapse the nation. Acting impatient, your neck is gon' be cracking and breaking. The Mac that I'm aiming to kill you if you laughing and gaming. The fact that I'm saying your back is gonna be catching the pavement. Knock out your teeth, my gat is gonna master replacement. We're back to the basics. Nowadays rapping is changing. Niggas can't fuck with me, I'm on the master ranking. Niggas pop shit till they moms trapped in the basement. This ain't basketball, nigga, but my fouling is flagrant. Life is a competition, I'm busting on my adversaries cause I'm armed and spitting. I'm never worried, you come at me, a big guard you visit, you will get buried. Always packing the felony and clapping my enemies. I know you want me dead, but I refuse to die. Slumped in the street too, when you head you lose your lives. In God's hands you arrest, almost rip through your flesh. If I flash it ain't a camera, just one blast in the hammer. Let me school you to the game, don't be abusing your product. I make your body look like a human pinata. The M16 I only use it for drama. I run with a couple grimy dudes that'll stomp ya. I stay around heat like I moved out to Compton. Fuck little guns, I got tools that'll squash ya, and big bullets that'll chew through your armor. If I gotta pick a gun, I'm using llama, nigga. Ammo dick. Yeah, nigga.